In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube from Google Play Store. We will start right on your Android phone so you can follow along step by step at your own pace. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Look for the multicolored triangle icon, usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the Play Store homepage, with apps and game suggestions and a search bar across the top. If the Play Store asks for permission to update or terms to accept, go ahead and continue so the main screen appears. Now tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. When you tap it, the keyboard should slide up from the bottom of the screen. The search bar will move to the top with a blinking cursor, ready for you to type, and you might see some recent searches or suggestions underneath. Next, type YouTube. Make sure you type it as one word so the right app appears. As you type, you will see suggestions appear below the bar, usually with YouTube at the very top of the list. On many phones, you can also tap the suggestion for YouTube instead of finishing the whole word yourself, and it will run the search. From there, select YouTube by Google LLC from the search results. You should see the official red and white play button icon, and underneath it the text YouTube and the developer name Google LLC. This detail helps you avoid unofficial copies or similar sounding apps, which can show up in search but are not the main YouTube app. Once you are on the YouTube app page, tap Install. The button sits on the right side, just under the app name. As soon as you tap Install, the button will change to show a download progress bar or a spinning icon. You may also see the download percentage and the app size as it comes onto your phone, and you can stay on this screen while it finishes. After that, wait for the installation to finish. During this time, the Play Store will first download the app, then automatically install it, with no extra taps needed. When it is done, the Install button will change to an Open button, and you might also see an Uninstall and an Open button side by side, confirming that YouTube is now installed on your phone. With the install complete, tap Open. The YouTube app will launch, showing the Home tab with videos, thumbnails, and a search icon at the top. You will notice the familiar red and white theme, and a row of icons along the bottom, including Home and Shorts and subscriptions. Finally, sign in with your Google account if you want access to your subscriptions, history, and personalized recommendations. When prompted, choose your existing Google account on the device or add a new one, then follow the sign-in prompts. Once signed in, your subscribed channels, watch history, and suggested videos will match what you see on other devices using that same account. You have now installed the official YouTube app from the Google Play Store and signed in so it is customized for you. If this walkthrough helped you get YouTube running, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Android guides like this.